Hi kids, I'm going to show you how to make a job wheel. So first you take a piece of paper and you draw a circle around it. And as you can see, they're kind of like pizza slices. So you're just going to draw lines, kind of making a rectangle like this.
I think it's a triangle.
Oh, right, sorry, triangle. And then you are going to, and then you can just think of a bunch of jobs that your family needs, like coat fairy, shoe fairy, clean downstairs, job of the week, help with dinner, clean outside, clean one of your siblings' rooms, or if you don't have any, maybe help clean a little extra in anywhere you want, like maybe parts where the job wheel isn't, like where there's no directions of the job wheel, like maybe upstairs, maybe in the attic if you have an attic, and maybe in the playroom, maybe anywhere. And that can be for your clean blank room. And then where you can clean the living room, or I think, as I already mentioned, coat fairy.
Okay, so when do you actually use it? How do you use it? Once you've put it up, then what do you do?
And then you laminate it. And then you make this arrow and you stick it on. So as you can see, if it was after dinner, I would spin it, and whatever I landed on, oh, it's coat fairy. Then I would do coat fairy.
What does coat fairy mean?
Coat fairy means you clean up all the coats and you put them where they're supposed to be. Shoe fairy means you put all the shoes and put them where they're supposed to be. And clean downstairs, you're just gonna clean downstairs. Clean the living room means you clean the living room. Clean Blank's room means you clean whatever person's room you want. And then clean outside means you clean outside. Help with dinner means, well, you help with dinner. And job of the week, you can make that up as you go. You can say job of the week, and then every week you can put up a new special job that hopefully people will like. And
this is something that everybody in the house does, right? After dinner?
Yeah, after dinner.
And then you also have a weekly bigger contribution that you do.
Yeah.
In addition to your routine.
For example, I clean the bathroom every time, and my sister Josephine makes breakfast every week.
Okay. And you also have your responsibilities throughout the
day.
Yeah. All right. Thanks, Vi. Anything else you want to say?
I just wanted to say that you just have fun with the job wheel and don't feel it as a stressful thing that you have to do.
Yeah, it's more of a contribution. Thanks.